Hi everyone! I was debating on even posting this video because you guys are pretty much seeing everything that is inside of here. So I did join the Cheeky Bums Caboodle Spring Swap. So this is the little caboodles that we bought from Dollar Tree. This is what mine looks like, ready to get sent out. So it was make one, get one, make two, get two. So I'm just going to send one in, and then I did do a duplicate of everything for her. So I had done these little keychains. I got everything off of Temu from here. I do have a coupon code with Temu. I can't remember what it is at the moment, but I'll leave it linked down below. It's in the description box of all of my videos. So I did do a haul on this, so I'm sending one of those out. I did do a shaker embellishment here, which I think came out so stinking cute. So we have that one. I did an ATC card. Then I put my info on the back. So the one that I used was, the collection I used was Maggie Holmes Garden Party. So I did an altered little notebook, and I did do a little like a bookmarker here. So there's that one. Then well, let me tell you what was required. So a shaker, ATC card, the notebook. This was an extra item that I did, and then it was a beadable pin or a Pokie tool, so I am sending both. And all of this came off of Temu, including the little packaging, which I love that everything like fits in there. So it was either or, but I did both. And then another one was a ribbon sample. So I took the paper clips that I got on clearance in the wedding section over at Hobby Lobby. I glued these little rose flowers, resin flowers to them. And then this was Maggie Holmes ribbon right here. So I just went ahead and wrapped it around the little clothespin and then sending that off. Bows were another requirement. I like how she did her swap. If my life ever gets normal, I want to do her style. She gave a list of items, and then you chose 8 that you wanted to send. So I liked that a lot because you weren't stuck. You let your creativity go whichever way you wanted. So I really, really liked how she set it up. Another requirement was 5 die cuts. I did a little bit more than 5. So there's that one. A sticker sheet was another requirement. I got these sticker sheets from the clearance section at Hobby Lobby. It was from the wedding, so I included that. Another one was to do a bookmarker. I have 2 different styles in here. This was from my BeeBeeCrafts haul, so I have these metal ones, which is right here, this metal bookmarker. And then I also did a ribbon one. So there's 2 bookmarkers in there. Then let's see, I think it was 4 flowers that were for the requirement, and I ended up doing 6 of them. And like I said, there's pretty much a video on everything that I did in here. Another one was a sequence mix. So I have that in the little tubey. I did a little dangle right here. And then this was an extra that I did. I had intended to do a chunky charm because you guys know how much I love doing that. But I am out of time. So I have some of the wire wrapped beads in here. I have some metal charms. I have some of these larger beads. What else? Oh, I have some like little findings so you can see the little like crimp that I used for the bookmarker. I put in a couple of those. I meant to put in some of those resin flowers, but apparently I forgot because I don't see them in here. And there's just loose beads. So there's that. And then I had also got this. I'm going to bubble wrap it because I'm pretty sure that this is glass. I don't remember. I had thrifted this and I just thought it was really pretty and kind of went with the theme. So I'm kind of wishing that I would have used the swan on my ATC instead of the little fox, because it would have just gone really well. But I think the little swan just matches and is beautiful. So I'm going to bubble wrap this one and send it out. So all of this is for Cheeky Bum. I love her little handle name. I think it's so cute. So this is all hers, and then this is for the swap, and it's exactly the same thing. Like, I literally made everything identical. So that's what I'm going to be sending out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. If there's ever a video that you want me to make, let me know. I do have a running list of suggestions that I will try to get to as soon as possible. But like I said, things are a little nuts around here. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you're having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.